Traveling north up the California coast from Carlsbad on Independence Day weekend, we discovered that Oceanside, our next destination, had closed all of its parking lots to minimize social gatherings, with the exception of one small RV lot tucked away in the corner of the harbor, right on the beach. Lucky for us, a family was leaving right as we showed up. What an awesome score that turned out to be. This episode is packed full of fun as we learn to fly our new drone, restore a trashed surfboard, experience our first Black Lives Matter protest, crash our new drone into a palm tree, and enjoy a plethora of fireworks despite the citywide ban.
Hello, I'm Jacqueline, and this is Nick. We invite you to join us and our dog Trixie on our unique journey as we pack everything up, move into our camper, travel to our favorite destinations, and begin living in the now.
Cause I've got no more expectations, gonna take my ass across the nation. Been doing this far too long. All the time I spend is now too far gone. Time to change the pace and lose the face that I put on for everyone else. Embrace the change and play the game and do everything for myself.
Nick and I have become official beach hoppers, slowly moving up the Cali coast, one beach at a time. Today we find ourselves at Oceanside on Independence Day. Oceanside is a beach that I remember fondly from my younger years. Coming here on vacation with my family, calling to my mom, boogie boarding out in the waves to come in because my siblings and I were hungry and we were ready to go. Well, today is not an ocean swimming day. The surf has an advisory and it's much too rough. Rescue teams have been out on the water working hard all morning. So what do you do when you can't play in the water? You move on to more productive activities, like repairs, learning to use your new equipment. Someone trashed the surfboard, and we decided to adopt it and fix it up so Nick can learn to surf on it. Quite a few nasty gashes in it.
Man, that's right. We're gonna fix it up, give it some love. Hopefully she loves me right back. This is Steve, our new drone, and this is my good friend Aaron, who drove up from San Diego to join us for some fun on the beach. Hey baby.
Ew.
We're playing with our toys.
Yes.
Like little kids.
There you go.
In our 3 weeks on the road as camper lifers, we have yet to come across any BLM protests, until now. In one day, not only did we experience a long line of cars honking horns with signs out their windows, jamming up our beach parking lot, but we also stumbled across a large peaceful protest group near the pier. They read poems, told stories, and marched through the city chanting about their cause. I'm so excited!
It's been years since I had home cake, man.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. Hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
How is it?
Sweet, tasty, crunchy. Just right. I'm gonna do Guy Fieri, but fair food.
Yep, exactly.
You're not intense enough. He talks with super intensity. So elegant. Nick got drunk, decided to fly our drone, and flew it directly into that palm tree. And it stuck. We got that 3 days ago. Ay, ay, ay.
My drone stuck in the palm tree after 5 seconds of flight.
What's happening now?
And so then there was a fire truck nearby, so I decided to ask them for help. And they said they're gonna try. We'll see what happens.
No, in the motorhome.
The younger members of the family, parked directly under Steve's new resting place, were extremely determined to help us out despite their elders' disapproval.
You're drunk, go home.
I'm not intoxicated.
They spent several hours throwing a football at the tree. Again and again and again and again, sacrificing a few items to our cause.
Now the football's stuck. And now there's a water bottle stuck.
So we had to wait for the fire department to show up to see if they could help out.
I think the palm tree's at fault.
Yeah, well, I'm one of the drone pilots for Oceanside.
Huh?
I'm a drone pilot for Oceanside, that's why I was asking the question.
Right on.
So, no like grappling hooks from James Bond or nothing, huh? If you find something like that, are you staying here overnight?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you got plenty of time to get it. Go hire yourself some fishing poles and connect them together. I have a drone that doesn't have a grappling hook on it.
No?
No. Wow. Holy smokes. Here, hurt. Yeah. We'll be back.
How are you gonna grab it when you get up there? You gotta let go of that rope.
You got like stakes? Yeah. You need to have grappling stakes. Guys, well, good luck. Be safe, alright?
Hey, thank you so much for your help, brother.
Yeah. If you have some breadcrumbs, you can throw it for the pigeons. Maybe one of them will get it. Same guy, you know?
No, you're still shaking the tree. Actually, you're shaking it pretty well.
I don't know, if you like 5 people to do it, it might actually work.
But with persistence and perseverance comes success. Thank you to this family for all of your help.
I sure was happy to recover our new drone Steve out of that tree. I really thought he was a goner. I think I'll make a note for next time not to go flying after celebratory drinks with an old friend. Speaking of old friends, it sure was nice to reconnect with Aaron. What a great weekend. Man, look at all those fireworks. Every one of those explosions is a beautiful act of defiance. Somebody refusing to be oppressed. God bless them. And God bless America. It's so beautiful. I want to take this opportunity to thank our viewers. When we dreamt up this adventure, we had no idea how fast our channel was going to grow. And it's all thanks to people like you. So thank you, from the bottom of our hearts, for helping to make our dreams come true.
I said Happy Independence Day.